you yung itong pinakasikat na style na ginagawa ng mga local dito. They have this kind of tent. So during like Ramadan or any occasion meron sila. So they have like this. So now let's try to go inside. Most of the time kasi dito nilalagay talaga nila, hindi talaga chair. But then I don't know why here it's a chair. Usually kasi nakikita ko dyan is just a parang unan lang. Yan, unan lang siya. Tapos nakaupo na lahat, parang tawag nito, Buddha style na upo. Nasa sahig lang. Tapos maraming food, ganun ginagawa ng mga lokal. So I think since ito yata gusto lang nila may touch of Western at the same time, nandun pa rin yung touch ng Muslim. So mini-mix nila. So para at least the, what do you call this? The guests will feel yung scenes sa lugar nila. And at the same time, guests will also feel na they were here in UAE or in the Middle East. Oh, it's nice to relax here. Ayan yung bubong. It's a cloth actually. Now let's go to the rocks. Wow! Medyo nakakatakot to ha. Let's go down. Okay, I wish this is safe. Actually, may shore sila doon. But then, wala lang. I just tried walking here. I wanted to feel kung the sea water is warm or not. So, good luck. Sana hindi tayo matalsikan. Kasi nga tumatalsik siya. Oh my God. I think I have to take off my sleepers. Yung hotel card ko at saka towel card ko muna. Oh my! This is it! Wow! Wow! It's real! I found something! Pre, malamig! Hindi pwede! Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. That's a sign. So later, nakikita nyo yun. Later tonight, we'll go there. Yeah, we'll try to go there to see kung anong ginagawa doon. Okay, let's go back. Kuya, saan na sila? Ang lamig! Wala sila. Sakay! Let's play! Out na! Sige na. Ah! Yun naman hirap pa naglalaro ka, busy yung kabilang kamay mo. Ha? Si Michelle na magaling dito. Oh. Tinatago ka ba na? Hindi ka kasi mahanay kamay ko eh. Bakit ba ang gaan mo? Wala, mahihina itong mga to. Hindi marunong maglaro. Kasi hindi rin ako marunong. Gol, gol! Uy, na! Pasok! Wow! Okay, meron sila ditong spa. Cool! Diba? Astig. So dito, let's say if you wanted to have a spa, you can go here. They have a bed. Comes with 2 beds. Ta. Nahilo ako. Wow! Sit. And then let's go out from here. Ang sarap maging mayaman. Tumakas na lang bigla. Bye, spa. Guys, ito, cool the bar. Look at that. This is a bar. Tapos yung customer should just sit down here on the water. Di ba kakaiba? So, dito nag-serve sila ng, I don't know, beer or something. So, it comes with 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, yes, 9 chairs. So, you can have a swim at the same time. You'll be eating or something here. I don't know if I'm allowed to go inside. I think I'm not. Pero cool, di ba? Cool, yeah. Okay, let's go. Bye! Okay. So, ito na tayo. Let's go! Volleyball daw. Mayor, masakit kamay ko eh. Kahit ako pwede maglaro kasi kahit chito lang. Doon isang kamay ko nabali. Ito na. So, banana boat tayo. Of course, I'll go with the green. Ay, kaya! Kakala ko banana boat kasi kulay green. Hindi pala. So, tawag dito ay tsinelas. Unang gagawin nyo, papasok yung paa nyo rito. Sa kabila din. Tapos maglalakad. Sira ulo. Parang video, kuya.
Video nga.
Go up. One door. Or first door. Of course, second door. And it's here. To go up.